finger because tomorrow she is working here. Oh, you can sleep us with me there. You want me sleeping?
Ngunit ang katotohanan na ikaw ay isang
Musmus lang na walang pangalan. Makinig ka na lang.
makinig ka na lang.
No, no, no. No, no.
Ganyan talaga ang
Bebe.
buhay. Ika'y
Guys just went through a bottle of wine in like 15 minutes.
masyadong mayor. Yung musmus lang. Makinig ka na
Are you able to drive?
Oh no, I'm clearly far too drunk.
I am. Lord.
talaga.
Siwala ko siya. Ayaw ko na over. Over, Roy. Can you drive? Ano? Tomorrow, isakay mo siya. Kunin yung car dito. Yeah. You drive tomorrow and then drop George here to get his car. How's that?
What's that?
I'm gonna take the over. Take a taxi.
Yeah, we
And
need
then
to sit
tomorrow
there.
morning, I'm gonna drive you off here. Then I'll go to work.
Yes.
Yeah. No?
No, we're not.
Okay. She's okay. Are you sure?
Ngunit ang
She's okay.
No, I'm fine.
Na ikaw ay isang musmus lang. Hindi na ba tayo blueberry dito?
blueberry.
Kahit maputi ng buhok ko. Why you like that song?
Kahit maputi.
Okay. Kayo ni George, kahit maputi ng buhok niyo. Ay, matanda na. Sana'y di tayo
Pagtayo
matanda na. Sana'y di tayo
I have fun.
Right.
I'm going camping on the 25th. I'm going camping on the 25th.
Okay,